In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to comment using bold, italics or strike through on YouTube videos. Let's head to the YouTube comment section on one of my videos. So if you want your comments to appear just like this, get to your keyboard. Now let's start with the italics style. Before writing anything, start with an underscore. Then write your comment and still end with an underscore. Your comment will appear in italics style. Now moving on to bold, simply start with an asterisk. Write your comment and end with an asterisk again. The comment will appear in bold form. Now before sharing the strike through format, please share with me by writing using your favorite format in the comments below. Start off with a hyphen. Write your comment and end with a hyphen. That's how your comment will appear. Well, that's how easy it is to comment in bold, italics or strike through on YouTube videos. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.